Here is an example of a short movie recap video clip that started with using the Chatgpt AI to generate the video script.
Catch Me If You Can is a crime drama film directed by Steven Spielberg, based on the true story of Frank Abagnale Jr. This movie stars Leonardo DiCaprio as Frank, who successfully posed as a pilot, doctor, and a lawyer, all before the age of 21. Frank Abagnale Jr. grows up in a broken home, where his parents are constantly fighting. He runs away from home at the age of 16, and starts his life as a con artist. He begins by posing as a co-pilot for Pan Am Airlines, where he gains the attention of the FBI. The FBI agent Carl Henry, played by Tom Hanks, is assigned to track down Frank and bring him to justice. Carl and Frank engage in a game of cat and mouse, with Frank always staying one step ahead. As Frank's reputation as a con artist grows, he continues to take on different identities, including a doctor and a lawyer. He becomes known as the "Catch Me If You Can" man, with the FBI struggling to keep up with his actions. In the end, Frank turns himself in to the FBI and serves prison time. After his release, he becomes a consultant to the FBI, using his skills to help catch other con artists. Catch Me If You Can is a thrilling tale of a young man's journey, filled with deception, excitement, and ultimately, redemption.
Recap videos on YouTube are basically short summaries or reviews of TV shows, movies, or other forms of media that are designed to give viewers an overview of what they have missed or help them remember the key details of the show or movie. These types of videos on YouTube often include someone discussing or narrating the plot, characters, and themes of the movie in question, and may also include clips from the movie itself to illustrate the points. So, recap videos on YouTube are typically intended for viewers who have already watched the original content and are looking for a quick refresh of the entire movie, or it's also intended for those who haven't seen the original movie itself and want to get a sense of what it's all about before they watch the movie. Usually recap videos are more analytical in nature, offering critical insights and analysis, while others are more straightforward summaries of the events and characters. Now, generally speaking, you agree with the fact that recap videos are popular on YouTube because the videos provide a convenient way for viewers to stay up to date on their favorite shows or movies. Now, the only problem is creating recap videos for YouTube can sometimes come with several challenges. You see, recap videos need to be concise and to the point, which usually can be time-consuming and challenging, especially when covering a complex or long-running TV show or movie. The thing is, summarizing a lot of information into a short video can sometimes be difficult and requires careful editing and planning. Recap videos need to be engaging and entertaining while still providing a clear and concise overview of the original content or movie. Finding the right tone and style that appeals to your audience can also be very challenging. Now, the greatest challenge of all is avoiding copyright claims. You see, when using clips from TV shows or movies in your recap videos, it's important to ensure that you have the necessary permission and licenses, because using copyrighted material without permission can lead to legal issues. So, all in all, creating a recap video on YouTube is a combination of technical skills, creativity, and attention to details. Now, although creating recap videos on YouTube can be a challenging process, the end result can be a fun and informative video that provides value to your viewers. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the first step of avoiding any copyright claims from your movie recap videos with the help of the latest Chatgpt AI tool. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in growing your channel using automated tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get moving. So first, it's important to understand that there are two main popular types of recap videos on YouTube. You have the synopsis type of movie recap videos and the review types. Let's just start with the synopsis type. I call this the synopsis type because it follows the structure of a movie synopsis. Others call it explanation types of movie videos on YouTube. So the first question you should be asking yourself is, how do you use Chatgpt to write movie synopses? Well, you definitely want to start by communicating with the Chatgpt AI tool to provide you with an outline or a written synopsis of your chosen movie. To do that, you can type something like how to write movie synopsis using the Chatgpt AI, or an outline of a movie synopsis, for example. The AI tool will now give you the main outlines that you can use to build your own unique video script on. So the outline that the AI tool provided in this case is to start by providing a brief overview plot of the movie in question. Then you want to identify the key events of the story. Now, usually here is where most videos on YouTube end. These other outlines and short examples, of course, are detailed outlines for writing a real movie synopsis. But that's not what we want for a video script. So I'm going to work with the first two outlines to write the script for the movie recap video. At this point, what you want to do next is ask the AI tool to write using the outlines and your chosen movie. Take for example, in this case I asked the AI to write another example following the same steps above, but this time using the film Catch Me If You Can. Again, as you can see, the AI came up with this short piece of a brief overview, key events, summary and analysis of the movie Catch Me If You Can. At this point, you can use the overview as the beginning of your recap video script, or ask ChatGPT to write you a brief overview script again based on your chosen movie. Now, the key events here is basically the important aspects within the movie, and that's what most viewers are looking for in these types of videos. So this is where you want to base much of your time when writing your movie recap video scripts. But first, you want to ask the AI again to give you even more details on the key events within the movie. Now, here is the beauty of this AI tool. It doesn't only identify the key events for you, it also gives you the timestamps on the original movie clips. All you have to do after this is ask the AI tool to write a synopsis video script using your chosen movie. I added this final question because it will help you have a structure for your video script. You can use this piece together with the events and beef it up by combining both to come up with an engaging movie recap video for your channel viewers. Let's now quickly look at another example of writing a movie recap video, which is writing movie reviews video scripts. Again, just like the previous example with synopsis, you want to first ask the Chatgpt AI for an outline. As you can see, the outline of a movie review recap video is a little longer than that of the synopsis types of videos. With these types of videos, you need to analyze the characters, talk about the themes, symbolism, cinematography, and special effects. Now, the deal here is, even if you know nothing about all that, you can still ask ChatGPT to give you examples for each of the 6 general outlines for writing a movie recap script. As you can see here, the tool starts by summarizing the movie story in a clear and concise manner. Then it focuses on the main events and how they lead to the movie's conclusion. In this case, the plot of the movie The Avengers. You also have the character analysis, themes, symbolism, cinematographic and special effects, all generated for free. Now that you know how to use the Chatgpt AI tool to write video scripts for the 2 types of movie recap videos, make sure to check out the video that pops up on the top right to learn how to turn the text generated by the Chatgpt AI to a human sounding voice to use as your video audio. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, Make sure to hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.